Yo, what's up guys, Sam Crypto here. In today's video I'm going to talk about crypto airdrops, what crypto airdrops are, how you can find them, and then actually how to get them. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So, crypto airdrops are like rewards for special users of new crypto blockchains, projects, or crypto platforms. So pretty much always you get to probably do something, or you have to buy something, and in exchange you'll get something back of this new project, new chain, new crypto token, or whatever. But it's a really good way of earning money if you don't have any. For example, if you need some capital to start with, you can easily farm some airdrops for some time, and then you can have capital. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's actually true. And yeah, let's go right into it. So I have some things prepared. Firstly, I'm going to show you actually how you can find the airdrops. Obviously, I'm going to talk about some right now. But pretty much if you go on Twitter and just search for crypto airdrop, people are posting a ton about crypto airdrops. But please don't fall for everything like in crypto generally. Also, crypto airdrops, 99% is actually fake and scams. So never connect your wallets or never click any shady links with any new projects you see on Twitter, because usually they will drain your wallet, they will just steal everything you have. Look for authentic and trustworthy influencers who are promoting an airdrop, and then also check if it's really profitable, because sometimes you have an airdrop. For example, what oftentimes is the case, that a crypto developer actually makes a new token, and then like the top 10 holders of the other token actually get airdropped some. I was often in airdrops like this, and then you actually you hold it, and they let you wait for days or even weeks, and then in the end you get airdropped like $5, and it's not really worth it to be in the top 10 holder of the token. So yeah, be careful on this. Always scan the internet, scan Twitter, scan YouTube for new crypto airdrops that you can actually farm. And I will also update you guys on my Telegram on new airdrops that I'm farming as well. The first airdrop I'm actually going to talk about is the BullX airdrop. Actually today, when the video is uploading, the airdrop starts paying out, so you need to be fast. It starts to pay out. It doesn't mean it's over, it doesn't mean it's whatever. It's gonna take some time, weeks anyway, to pay out, so you still have enough time to farm this. Pretty much, I have a whole video on BullX anyway, so you can go ahead and check it out. But BullX is a trading platform, and they also launched their own token and then airdrop this out to users. You may ask now, okay, why is it going to be worth something? It's probably just going to zero. But no, actually 30% of the whole revenue that BullX is making, they're putting into this token. And BullX is making millions and millions and millions of dollars of revenue. So this token will not die, but also it will really pump. So the airdrop, I think this is like the biggest airdrop you can currently farm, and maybe even life-changing money in there, you know, if you really use it correctly. I've been farming this airdrop now for a while, you can see here. If you actually go ahead in the BullX, and if you log in, like I said, I have a whole video on this, and actually go on the airdrop tab, you can see how much volume you have, how much points, and if you sign up with the link in my description, you will also get a 5x multiplier on all of the points you farm. So go ahead and use this because it's important. And yeah, like I said, I have a trading volume of $65,300, and I have around about 300,000 points. It should be pretty much the same for everyone. Obviously there could be like plus minus 20% of the price of Solana right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The BullX airdrop. It also says airdrop begins on 15th of July, meaning it takes weeks anyway, so there's enough time for you to farm. But how you can actually farm the airdrop? You're now probably maybe thinking, okay, I'm not so good at trading, I don't want to trade so much volume and stuff, I don't want to lose so much money. I can understand, alright? I'm going to show you now an easy way on how you can actually farm the airdrop, how you can actually farm volume, alright? So what you will do is you will go into the Explore tab, Then actually go onto the search bar and then search for anything. I'm now gonna search, let's say, for monkey. Boom. Then you will actually go scroll down and look for a token with really small volume. Let's say this $3,000 volume. It's 3 weeks old, and as we can see here, it has no volume in the last 5 minutes and no volume in the past 1 hour because it actually got rugged. This is the perfect token to trade with, all right? So nobody's buying in, nobody's selling, so you can just do your own thing, all right? So what we are gonna do now, I just have, I just have 0.6 Solana in this wallet because I have everything in a different wallet right now. But like I said, you don't lose anything, so just do how much you can. I would advise you to do it with like probably like 1 to 3 Solana, how much you can afford. You can also do it 5 because you don't lose any money. What you will then do is you're just gonna buy with your 0.6 Solana, boom, and then just go ahead and sell 100% again, boom. And that's pretty much how you can just farm volume. All right, that's pretty much it. You just buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, and you just do the same thing over and over again, and you do this how often you want. All right, how many points you want, how much trading volume you want, and then you're gonna see how much you're getting paid out. I don't really know how much we're gonna get, but BullX has said in one of their tweets that they're wanting to give back 80% of their whole revenue to the user base, which is a lot. 80% of the whole revenue. Like I said, they're making millions. So I think this is going to be a really huge airdrop, and this is the one I am bidding on the most because, like I said, I think it's going to be really huge. So the next airdrop I'm going to talk about is a bit different, is actually the Coinbase reward system. I actually found it like years back when I started trading crypto and actually buying crypto on Coinbase, that they have a reward system, and you can, I think, on each account earn up to $150 on the Coinbase app, and actually also earn, I think, up to $80 on the Coinbase wallet itself. So you can farm over $200. It's gonna take some hours, I think like 2 or 3 hours till you're finished with all of them. But if you just sign up for Coinbase and verify your identity, you can go ahead and farm the airdrops. It's gonna look like something like this. Learn about the Ronin blockchain, and you will actually, as a reward, get $55 in Ronin. But you can just exchange that for free for some Solana or Bitcoin or whatever you want, right? It says here as well, 11 tasks, 9 minutes. Pretty much as most of the times just reading something and then doing like a multiple choice, or sometimes buying a little bit of the token and then you get like $20 on top of it. Or it's like playing a game or something. It's just stupid little things, but you can actually make like a lot of money from it on like I said, I think upwards to $200. It really depends like in which country you're in, but this is like a great way as well to get some money to start trading crypto. Yeah, that was already it with the video. If you want to learn more about trading crypto meme coins, join the Telegram in the description, and also check out my other videos that I've been posting. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe, and bye. See you in the next video.